Hey guys, it's John with ReelBlue Custom Rods, and welcome back to a new series on the truth about Hitena ST wrap zebra stripe metallic thread wrap. And so this is a new series that I'm going to start here. This kit comes with 8 different threads, and today's color that we're going to be starting with back here is the Persimmon's color. I did use it on a gold leaf video that I made, and if you have not seen that video, you can see that here in the upper right hand corner. So let's go ahead and get started. So this ST wrap by Hitena, this zebra stripe is what they call it. I'm telling you, I like the colors just by looking at them in the case, but what we're going to do is we're going to get this wrap started like our previous series on the truth about SAM SFX. You can see that link up here in the upper right hand corner, and then you can also see right here in the upper right hand corner the truth about ProWrap's VersaBlend thread. If you haven't seen any of those videos, you can see those series there. So I'm going to go ahead and start this wrap here. And then we're going to cut this tag wrap off, or this working in, excuse me. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to start turning and see how this comes out. And I will tell you, as you can see already, if you've seen the video on the gold leaf wrap, you can see, which of course was a bigger diameter, that wooden dowel was a bigger diameter than this blank is. And so you can see quickly the difference in this pattern, and I think this is pretty darn unique here. It's basically taking all the colors and giving us almost tag wraps, if you will, which I find to be very, very unique. This is really cool. I love this thread. If you guys, and by the way, if you're interested in purchasing this thread, if you like how this is looking and you've never used it, you can get this through the link below down in the video description. Yeah, look at that. That is pretty neat. It almost comes out as tag wraps, and that is cool. If you can get that on your rod to come out like that with tag wraps, I mean, it's one, a gazillion times faster than doing the tag wraps yourself, and two, it's all on one thread. So this is pretty darn unique, man. Again, this is the Persimmon's color, or excuse me, Persimmon color. Wow, I really like this one, man. I hope all of these are going to turn out like this. So you guys are going to have to stay tuned. But we can see what this is looking like. And that's just a cool way to get a bunch of different tag wraps in there. All right, so we're kind of making our way down. We're going to go, 2 to 3 inches with this, because I'm really interested to see if it's a systematic type. If this pattern is going to create is going to be kind of systematic, where it creates a pattern but then it repeats itself. So that's probably about 1.5 inches, probably. Yep, just about at 1.5 inches. So we're going to go a little bit more here. All right. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments block. Do you guys like the look of that so far? I will tell you that is kind of if you're trying to do something kind of Christmassy or holiday color type stuff, this would work as well. So anything, I think this would be a great complementary under wrap for anything that would be using green, red, you know, orange, any shades of those colors, even a brown, I think, you know, this would look great with any of those colors. I think it would complement them well. All right, so if you're liking this already, go down there and leave a comment in the comments block right now and let me know what you guys are thinking, because I'm digging this one. I think this is pretty neat. Not what I expected at all from this thread. So that's probably about 2 inches, and I think that's probably good enough. Yep, that's just over 2 inches. So let's go ahead and tie this one off, actually. And then we'll kind of move on to our second piece here. All right. Give it a cut. All right, and then so we're gonna dress this up a little bit here. Give a little tug on the end. Just cut that tag wrap. And then now we're gonna move over into our second piece, which is going to be a little drag and scale action with the mesh tape. So I am very interested to see, because I liked it in its, you know, own form, you know, on this previous wrap we just did. I'm really hoping this is going to look neat on the dragon scale. Only thing I worry about is there's times, you know, where something doesn't look really good by itself, but then it looks great when you put a dragon scale on it. And I'm hoping that this is not the opposite of that. I hope this will continue to look kind of neat. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and get this wrap started. And we'll just kind of get this going here. All right, and I'm going to tighten my tension rod a little. And then I'm going to go pretty quick, you know, just for the sake of time. So we can get a good idea what this is going to look like. Wow. I am really liking this one. Again, this is the Persimmons Zebra Stripe by Hitena. Again, if you're interested and you want to get your hands on some of this thread, there's a link down in the description below where you can pick it up from Amazon. All right, that is looking really, really neat, I think. So we're getting there, about a third of the way done. Wow, I really like this. You know, I don't think I've been so happy to you know, with one of these. I mean, some of these threads that I've done, some of these Truth About series videos I've done, you know, I've been pretty surprised by, and I thought they looked really neat. But this one, I'm really, really surprised by. And I think it's just because it had such a different look on a very large diameter rod that I used it on previously. Again, that was in that gold leaf video, you know, where I used it kind of on the ends to kind of overwrap some black thread that I did to secure the gold leaf. And so it had a totally different look. Oops, all right. Might just tighten this up a little bit. And again, I'm just trying to go quick for time, for demonstration purposes, if you will. All right, oops, all right. All right, so what are you guys thinking about this dragon scale wrap so far? Let me know in the comments block. If you like it, make sure you hit the like button. And then also, you know, feel free to share this video with anybody that you think that would find it useful. So we're almost done here with this wrap. And I could have probably put a better piece of mesh tape down to support this. So I apologize, guys. All right, we'll get down to the end here. Wow, simply amazing how this this Persimmon's color is turning out. And again, I'm just doing this quick for time. I know I got a couple pieces of mesh tape sticking out of there. I just want to give you the idea what this is going to look like. So we'll tie this off now. All right. All right, and we'll tighten that up, burnish that down a little bit. Okay, and so this is a little compare and analysis here. So here is the thread just wrapped by itself. Has a very good looking, you know, it does have this stripe in it. And I really like how it turned out. So you have red, green, orange, green, red, then like a lighter green and red. And so it seems to be pretty repetitive, and I like the colors that it looks like. And then here is that same thread, but in the dragon scale. And I think that looks pretty, darn unique right there. I got a little piece of thread sticking up there. But I think this thread, this tiger stripe thread looks really good. Excuse me. This zebra stripe thread looks really good on a metallic. I like this one. I would definitely do that as a standalone decorative wrap. Again, looks like a lot of different, you know, tag wraps or inlays put together. And I think this is a great way to save you some time if you dig the colors, right? So like if you like these colors, this may be an option for you to basically use one piece of thread, but to get several different colors for an inlay. So just food for thought, something for you to put in your kit bag. Again, if you're interested in purchasing this thread, there's a link down in the video description below. Please go and check that out. It's a great way to support the channel. Also, if you find the video useful, please feel free to share it with somebody. Make sure you hit the like button right now. Feel free to leave me a comment, and be sure to watch this next video here. Until next time, guys, take care.